I have now heard that you can buy Adams Detailing products, which is an American detailing company in England, in Tesco's. So we are here at Tesco Extra in Chichester to go and have a look and see what they've got. So they have wheel and tyre cleaner. All of these are £9. Club card £6. Wheel and tyre cleaner, tyre shine, car shampoo, detail spray and total interior cleaner, which is also glass cleaner, it says on the back. That's it. Detail spray, what's that say? Car shampoo, tyre shine, and the wheel and tyre cleaner. Okay, so they've got ultra plush drying towels, £20, £13.50 with a club card, and they are currently they are 29 inch by 36 inch.